This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, August 22nd, 2012. Now time for first look. A look at the models. The GFS Model Run, the 00 run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a zonal flow across the country with a couple of disturbances here and there, one over California, another over the south and east and up the east coast. With that, we have some showers and storms across the south and east, the monsoon over the west, and a disturbance that could spark a shower or storm right along the Iowa-Minnesota border and into southern Minnesota. We'll have to watch on that. On Thursday, we have a cold front that'll be easing into the state with some showers and thunderstorms, especially in the northwestern part of the state. Highs in the 80s to lower 90s both today and on Thursday. Friday, that front kind of looks a bit disheveled at this point, so chances of rain Friday could be 20% or less as the system really looks to dissipate. And Saturday, another storm moves in, but we're all going to be paying most of the attention on Isaac, which will be just south and east of Cuba, and that could really cause a lot of weather conditions to change around here, even into Sunday as the cold front moves to the east. The showers and thunderstorms move with it, mainly in early, at least through early to mid-afternoon as Isaac moves across northern Cuba. And on Monday, that front moves off, high pressure comes down, and we have Isaac over South Florida, and this will be making a run up the east coast, and with that, it'll be about near Jacksonville here on Tuesday. We are under high pressure, so clear, and it looks like seasonal conditions, highs maybe in the upper 70s to lower to mid 80s around here. And even a week from today, we have the trough with Isaac being picked up by it, and a ridge, unfortunately, building in behind it, so it looks like Isaac is going to not bring us rain, it's going to bring the heat back. And we have a storm system that'll be just to our west with very few chances of showers and storms in that area in the high plains at least. A couple days later on September the 4th, pretty much a zonal flow across the country, except most of the storm track is well across Canada. And with this, we have maybe a stalled frontal system close by that could spark a shower or storm, but temperatures will be in the 80s at this point, so not looking too good for rainfall if that's right. And at the end of the forecast on the 6th, we have the ridge still mainly over the southern part of the country, the storm track still to our north at this point, and maybe a stalled front still at that point with some showers and storms in that area, so rainfall could be a bit scattered heading into September. But taking a look at last night's satellite image, we have that frontal system along the east coast with some showers and storms there, the monsoon over the south and west, and around here it's clear, quiet, but warming up over the next couple of days. The watch warning map from a bit before midnight shows some flash flood watches, or flash flood and flood watches across the south and west. Some red flag warnings scattered even as close to us as northwestern Missouri and even far southwest Iowa was under a fire weather watch. The QPF chart, though, may squelch those fire weather watches and warnings and red flag warnings. This is rainfall through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, and that shows that we could get some decent rains around here, up maybe an inch or so.